In sports, we feature football. Reggae Girls are set to go up against Guyana in their next Concacaf Women's Qualifiers fixture on Saturday at the National Stadium. Dance hall artist Vybz Kartel is urging patrons to come out and support the women's team. He voiced his support in a post on social media.
Since up to the time, Vybz Kartel, I represent for the biggest match in a woman football, Jamaica versus Guyana. I make sure all are there. I went TJ. Saturday, what time?
7.
7, it's football heaven. Big up Bonisha and the whole Jamaica team. We're outside Saturday. What is under me nose? Come on.
Meanwhile, head coach Hubert Busby is pleased with the girls' showing so far. Speaking with the press following their recent 4-0 victory over Antigua and Barbuda, he said the team showed resilience despite missed chances and late adjustments.
So again, it just shows the resiliency of the group. And as I said to him afterwards, a total team performance. We talk about our starters and our finishers and those who came on, obviously impacting the game, but also took the game over the line. And that's what it's going to take. It's going to take an entire team effort of 23, 26 players, whatever it takes for us to get to this World Cup and for us to be successful.